We're definitely looking at the probability that if you buy now, you're probably going to refinance later. We're offering a no lender fee refinance to help with that. There are other savings that we have available as well when you go to refinance. So what that does is it makes a refinance less expensive. And it means that when rates start to come down, it'll make sense sooner and the rate doesn't have to be as large of a disparity lower because the costs are going to be so low. So that's one item. We're also always offering a float down, meaning if I lock you in and rates get lower by a specific margin, they have to get lower by larger than the smallest increment lower. But if it's a reasonable decrease in rates, we can float down your interest rate to a lower interest rate before settlement. Also, sometimes we look at buying down the interest rate. In fact, we do look at that probably more often these days than we used to. And really the buy down in the interest rate, it's a balancing act based on what the payment would be without the buy down versus with the buy down and how long we feel like we're going to have the loan for, which is all the math that we're doing to see what makes the most sense with your interest rate. But, that's kind of using some of the tools that we have available to be able to help people to better afford the house that's priced higher than they hoped they would have to buy.